Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture we will discuss about some others member of solar system like asteroids, comets and meteors and meteorites. Okay, so first I am starting with what are asteroids? Asteroids. So student, in my previous lecture I have shown you the solar system. So I am drawing again here the solar system. This is sun. Now I am drawing directly the fourth planet, which is Mars, and fifth planet is Jupiter. Okay, so there is a large gap between Mars and Jupiter, and where we will find, and this gap is occupied by a large number of small objects that revolve around this sun, and these objects are called as asteroids. Okay students, asteroids are only in between Mars and Jupiter, and they also revolves around the sun. So I hope students you are pretty clear about asteroids. So now let us move to what are comets. Okay students, so now we will discuss about comets. So I am drawing here again the sun, and comets are also the member of solar system. They revolve around the sun in highly elliptical orbits, students. So the orbits of the comets is very high elliptical. Okay, and the shape, the head is like very bright in nature. Okay, let me draw the head of the comets, and they have also a tail. Okay, so how they revolve? Okay, so they revolve around a very large elliptical orbits around the sun, and they have also a bright head with a long tail. Okay students, the length of the tail grows when it approaches the sun, means when it is near to the sun, the tail of the comets will start increasing. Okay, and it is always directed away, means not in the direction of the sun, it will always be directed away from the sun. Okay, and the comets usually appears periodically to us. Okay, and one such comet is Halley's comet, which appears after every 76 years. Every 76 years. So comets are also the part of solar system which appears after every periodic interval. Okay, and one such example is Halley's comet. This is the Halley's comet which appears after 76 years, students. So now we will discuss about meteors and meteorites. Okay, let me first erase all this. I hope you guys are pretty clear about what are comets and what are asteroids. So now students, I will discuss about meteors and meteorites. At night, students, you might have observed that when the moon is not there, you may sometimes see that bright streaks of light in the sky. They are commonly known as shooting stars. They meteors. First I am discussing about meteors. Okay. They are commonly known as shooting stars, although they are not stars. Although they are not stars. A meteor is usually a object, small object that occasionally enters the earth's surface. Enters the earth's surface. Okay, and what is meteorite? So meteors and meteorites are somewhat same, but the difference is some meteors are very large in size, and so they can reach the earth before they evaporate completely. So they evaporate before entering earth, but meteorites, before they evaporate completely, evaporate after entering the earth's surface completely. Okay students, so this is the difference between the meteors and the meteorites. So students, in this lecture I have discussed about asteroids, comets, meteors and meteorites, and if you have still any doubt, then please do comment in the comment section students. I will be happy to help you guys there. Okay, in my next lecture I will discuss about some artificial satellites. Okay, so stay tuned for the next lecture also, and enjoy the learning experience with the Scholars Learning app. Okay, so download the Scholars Learning app from App Store or Play Store and enjoy the learning experience with us. Thank you students, happy learning, stay blessed.